How to use UAB English PAS. When you have entered the platform with your user code and password, you will see this screen. The modules of the different levels appear in a list. Click on a module to access the material. In this module, there are 15 units and a progress test. Select the first unit. In each unit, there are sections on reading, listening, grammar, vocabulary, speaking, and writing. Each section contains a variety of exercise types. Here is an example. The student has to read a text and complete sentences by dragging items into the correct place. To check how many you have answered correctly, click on Check. To see the correct answers, click on Answers. It is important to read the instructions carefully and familiarize yourself with the different icons. To go to the next exercise, click on the arrow pointing right. It is recommended to do the exercises in the order they appear. To return to the contents of the unit, click on Menu. You can consult the objectives of each unit by clicking on Objectius e Unitats. Dictionaries are available by clicking on Dictionary. To return to the platform's main page, click on My Learning Materials. If you would like to see a general explanation of UAB English PAS and the levels which are offered, click on Learning System. You can see the percentage scores of the exercises you have completed and the time you have dedicated to study by clicking on My Tracking. Clicking on All My Resources will take you to the blog of the Centre d'Aprenentatge de Llengües, where you will find all the language resources which the Servei de Llengües considers of interest to its students. Clicking on My Speaking Teacher will take you to a text-to-speech tool.
Type or paste some text here and click the accent of your choice.
You can configure your account by clicking on Settings. If you have any questions about how to use the platform or have problems while using the material, emails can be sent to uabenglish@uab.cat.